In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the anchor point for precise motion in Adobe Premiere Pro. The anchor point is the invisible pivot that your clip rotates and scales around. By default, it sits in the center of the frame, but moving it gives you control over how your clip spins, grows, or shrinks. This is essential for believable rotations, creative zooms, and clean motion design. Start by selecting your clip in the timeline. A single click makes it active and you'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. This tells Premiere that any changes you make apply to this specific piece of footage. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. This is where all your clip level adjustments live. If you don't see it, check your workspace or open it from the window menu so it's visible alongside the program monitor. Inside Effect Controls, look for the section labeled Motion. Expand it if it's collapsed. You'll see Anchor Point listed with two values, X and Y. These correspond to the horizontal and vertical position of that pivot within the frame. Think of X as left to right and Y as up and down. Changing these values moves the pivot relative to your clip, not the timeline as a whole. You have two ways to adjust the anchor point. For precise control, type directly into the X and Y fields. This is great when you know exactly where you want the pivot, like aligning it perfectly along an edge or to a known coordinate. Small increments can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to nudge the numbers for fine adjustments. For a more visual approach, click the word Motion in Effect Controls. This activates a bounding box around your clip in the program monitor and reveals the anchor point icon. Now you can drag that icon directly to where you want the pivot to be, place it on a corner if you want a hinge-like rotation, or over a specific object to scale and rotate around that subject. Watch how the outline and guides respond as you move it. This helps you position it confidently. To preview how your